Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to use an ASCII table and how to convert from an ASCII number system to decimal and a binary number system. So before we start, let me give you a little definition of what an ASCII number system. So that stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And if you remember on the first video we talked about that computers have only two digits, right? Like binary number system, 0 and 1. That's because transistors have only two conditions, on and off. That's why it only has two number system. So it means like whatever we type on a keyboard, like on the computer, it is automatically converted into binary number system. And for that, if you want to convert any kind of text into binary or decimal, we need an ASCII table. So let's use it. I have downloaded the photo of it on the internet. You can find any of that on the internet. So this is what I found it. So let me insert it here. So let me minimize the photo. 1 second. Yeah. And I'll be using this ASCII table in order to convert any kind of a word. So as the first example, let's convert like any word, like text, to decimal and binary number system. Actually, some of the tables usually have like all the binary, decimal, and hexadecimal number system, but here in this condition we only have like decimal and a hexadecimal. So now let's have the example of the word like kind of code. So in order to represent code using an ASCII table into binary or decimal, we will convert each of the character or a letter into each of them. So now let's convert first of all to decimal. So we will search for in ASCII table all the like capital letters and small letters make sense as well. You must be very careful. So this C stands for which number? 67 into decimal. No O. Other letters are small letters as well. Let's find the O. That's so 6F. So that's 6F. D means I'm sorry. I got the hexadecimal, but I need decimal number here. So we don't take this one. It is 111. 111. D stands for which letter? Like let's search for this one. So 100. So and E stands for which letter? So E stands for 101. So here we are. We have like each code, each letter represents this kind of numbers into decimal. How about binary? As I told you, some ASCII tables have already have binary number system, but in our condition, we can actually convert each decimal into a binary number system. We covered two methods here. Let me just convert one of them here. You can divide by 2 in order to have the result in the binary number system, but the easiest way is using 1, 2, 4, 8 system. It means like you can use this table in order to convert any decimal numbers into binary. So 67, we also continue until by multiplying 2 until we have some kind of number close to 67 here. So 16, 32, so 64. We stop here at 64, and the 67 is the addition of which numbers? Let's say we get the maximum numbers here, maximum possible numbers. 64 plus 2 plus 1. So under these numbers, we put here 1, 1, 1. Other ones will be 0. In ASCII table also, like each letter should have like a kind of 8 digits into binary system. So if we have like 7 of them, right here we have 7 here, we should put 0 in front of it. So right here, so 67 stands for 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it means like the capital letter C equals to 67 into decimal, or it equals to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 into binary number system. You don't have to actually put a 0 in the beginning, but it's anyway. This is the official formal way. Now let's convert on the other hand, let's convert any kind of decimal into a text here, so or maybe a character here. So let's have this kind of 92 and 86, this kind of letters. This is into decimal. So in order to have a word, you also as it's clear, you use this table, and then 92 is this decimal number, and the character is this one. Yeah, it's not a word, it's a not like this, it's like this. So right here, because 92 is this one, and 86 is where like V. So this is that small v? No, that's a capital letter. So 92 stands for this one and 86 stands for this one. So in this way you can convert into any kind of a word, as I told you, into a binary or decimal number system. Let's use one more example. Like kind of, let me have give you let's use from hexadecimal here. For a let me hide any kind of word here. Then for f, then for a. So what is this letter? All of them are capital letters here. So for e, as we can see here, this one here, that stands for N. For f is capital letter O. For f also O, so noon. So for E, for F, for E, it means the word of noon in capital letters. Alright guys, as you can see, it's very easy. You just need to have this ASCII table in order to convert any kind of text into decimal, binary, or hexadecimal, or octal number systems. Alright guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can text me. You can join our Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description below. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention.